will see all the networks and nodes, access all the IoT devices just surrounding you. Maybe it is visible, maybe not visible. Of course, since it's a very, very dense network, so that's why we need
for the share test input. For the test input, you need more than signal generator or spectral analyzer or noise source or anything. Probably don't
I started with Dr. Henry. He was from the University of Mehran, and he gave us a very insightful keynote speech on so he started with
would also have the problems of security, artificial intelligence, and cost efficiency, things like that, which we were doing engineers or building scientists. We need to design those algorithms so that we always, try to build the KPIs, of course, by looking at all the problems of the folks in the space. So some of the use cases that we will be looking after for again the sixth generation networks are virtual reality, holography, haptic communications, then the scientists would just say that, okay, once we try and realize all of these applications, then the techniques that will be developed at that time will be discussed. So that is basically the kind of the way innovation we have experienced. So the other thing that we have been looking into is the difference from the previous generation of networks is the difference between the quality of service versus the quality of experience. However, now what we are basically trying to do is we're trying to look at the quality of experience. And what quality of experience is, so I'll just give an example. Just assume that let's say I'm the one who's like calling on the cell phone, right? Let's say you're the one who's trying to download WhatsApp, Facebook, for example. Now the problem is from the network point of view, we have users which are using distinct services. However, the problem is that actually the network should be designed so that the quality that I am feeling by just having a phone call with someone, right? You should be feeling the same feeling of your experience videos. You should not be simply waiting circles, your phone that you are download should be very seamless. So that's why we want to have a correlative experience between the users and the network that will be providing all those services using very sophisticated machine learning algorithms to the ones that are possible to be. So that is actually the way to put up for the next generation of networks. That's what we're basically dealing with. So these are some of the very major components of the existing networks. For example, we want to have a cell-free antenna system where we just distribute the antennas, all over, for example, the entire area, so that we can have better connectivity to the network at all the times. Then we want to, of course, move towards very high frequency right now into, and then we also want to realize, smart radio environments by using something which we call as intelligent connected services. So again, these probably will constitute, our next generation of networks.
was catching two problems. The first problem is traffic network analysis. Okay? And the second problem is assignment problem. So we need to take up both of these things if we want to go to the 6G and let's simplify those things and
At the moment, have a problem that we are either working on, for example, again, the kind of the resource allocation things that you were saying. By resources, again, I mean the power, how
and the areas which you can look for research include, but of course are not limited to, better understanding of gesture, real-world gestures measurement, temperature, texture depth quantification, remote sensing, metrology, metaverse. As such, NED University also has a research group which is working on metaverse. So I would now like to call co-session chair Dr. Mohammed Ibrahim Haq to receive the souvenir. Now I would like to call Dr. Shakir, our secretary, to receive the souvenir. Now I would like to call our keynote speaker, Dr. Enrique Nava, to receive the souvenir.
participating in the meeting session, please note of it.
Sorry about that. You will be receiving this later. Speaker Dr. Ali Hassan to receive the souvenir. And finally, we will be sharing the souvenir.
You guys are ready?
Thank you, sir.
अस्सलामुअलैकुम, मेरा नाम डॉक्टर मोहम्मद इब्रारुल है। तो आई एम दी कॉन्फ्रेंस टीपीसी चेयर, टेक्निकल प्रोग्राम कमेटी चेयर। तो वी आर होल्डिंग दी इमटेक 2023 कॉन्फ्रेंस है। तो ये कॉन्फ्रेंस जो इसमें मुख्तलिफ नेशनल और इंटरनेशनल लेवल के स्पीकर्स हैं, की नोट टॉक्स हुई हैं इसके ऊपर, और कुछ पेपर्स प्रेजेंट किए हैं लोगों ने। तो आज हमारा कॉन्फ्रेंस का 3rd डे है, 12 मई को, जो कि सरसीद यूनिवर्सिटी में किया जा रहा है। और इसकी क्लोजिंग सेरेमनी आज 4:30 PM पर है। इसमें हमारे पास जो चीफ गेस्ट होंगे वो हाजा इंस्टीट्यूट के मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर मिस्टर अजहर अली साहब होंगे। और इसके अलावा हमारे पास PEC, HEC और डिफरेंट यूनिवर्सिटीज़ और इंटरनेशनल यूनिवर्सिटीज़ और इंडस्ट्रीज़ के भी कोलैबोरेटिव पार्टनर्स यहाँ पर आएंगे। तो ये बहुत ज़्यादा यूज़फुल है स्कॉलर्स के लिए जो PhD कर रहे हैं नेशनली इंटरनेशनली। तो वो इससे, क्योंकि हमारी जो थीम है कॉन्फ्रेंस का AI आर्टिफिशियल
सर, इससे
इंटेलिजेंस,
स्टूडेंट को कितना फ़ायदा होगा दोनों यूनिवर्सिटीज़ को?
इससे एक तो कोलेब्रेशन बढ़ेगा, क्योंकि यूनिवर्सिटी मलागा से वैसे ही हमारा MOU है। और इससे जो हमारे स्कॉलर्स हैं वो एक कोलेब्रेशन कर सकते हैं, विज़िट कर सकते हैं वहाँ पर मुख्तलिफ यूनिवर्सिटीज़ के। को यहाँ पर डेलीगेट्स यहाँ पर आए हुए हैं, बहरीन से भी हमारे पास डेलीगेट आए हुए हैं, मलागा स्पेन से भी आए हुए हैं, स्वीडन से भी आए हुए हैं। तो एक उनका इंटरनेशनल एक्सपोजर बढ़ेगा और उनके रिसर्च एरिया में हेल्पफुल होगी।
सर, फ्यूचर में ऐसा प्रोग्राम है कि मुल्क की और यूनिवर्सिटी से आप कोलैबोरेट करें?
जी, हम अब हमारा टारगेट ही है कि हम कोलैबोरेशन SDG जो यूनाइटेड नेशंस के गोल हैं उसमें ये भी एक SDG है कि हमें कोलैबोरेशंस करनी है। तो इंशाल्लाह इन फ्यूचर वी विल कंटिन्यू दिस।
थैंक यू सर।
ओके, थैंक